It's your boy Zizi back with another video, man. 2 videos in one day, Achonga. I'm on to something. Anyway, today we're reacting to Bass and Gaffy artists. They dropped a collab album EP. It's called Kasora, whatever. Yeah, Kasora. Track 1, Ompondo, no Sukwini. Gaffy and Bass, and it's been saying does.
Nasisitulo amampondo akulindile okobe sebuhlali yosukwini baqumbile base baphothahla amaqhela apha kumdiza isithixo segaraja sikho kum silahlekile thetha nami nikumamelisa funa inyamisa abasika okekhawunda nje laphi elicoins zivelaphi wena isithathu sifunde laphi amadoda kangasazi uthi umama uzalo
Well, I don't know what that means, ne? But mna, personally, if I was in that level to understand what that means, I would get pissed. This from the library, I would squabble, singalo, I would throw hands. A library, and sazi, and yale from the library, and yazi, and evil in the top. Whatever they said, if they said it to me and I was in that level to understand it, yo. It's crazy.
Funa inyamisa abasika okekhawunda nje laphi elicoins zivelaphi wena isithathu sifunde laphi amadoda kangasazi uthi umama uzalo umami China apha kum so ingqoqo yethu ayifani okubuda
Oh my God.
Thathu sifunde laphi amadoda kangasazi uthi umama uzalo umami China apha kum so ingqoqo yethu ayifani okubuda so bengicela ubiza uhlathi igqirha lefamily nikele uyoqala
That beats me.
Thetha nami nikumamelisa funa inyamisa abasika Thetha nami nikumamelisa funa inyamisa abasika cela sivale bancelile nasebuhlanta kukho order wenza ingathi umakazi kangasibulalela uthangwe osukwini bayaqhela nalomcimba
Hi. Do you know, like, in one of those, like there is a meeting and like one of those triangles, they get to trying that, like, what could be secrets of family matters. Oh, this shit is giving those vibes, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is hard though, yo. Chonga.
Thetha nami nikumamelisa funa inyamisa abasika Thetha nami nikumamelisa funa inyamisa abasika cela sivale bancelile nasebuhlanta kukho order wenza ingathi umakazi kangasibulalela uthangwe osukwini bayaqhela nalomcimba amenza iparty wapha new brand wasekhaya ngowakokoko okhalela ibrand intombi kaTops wakuthola
Abakhaleli brand bakhona soloko bekhona
bayaqhela nalomcimba amenza iparty wapha new brand wasekhaya ngowakokoko okhalela ibrand intombi kaTops wakuthola usabamba igraji mna niphethe imbande esikhofa
usabamba igrudge. This is mali nina. Usabamba igrudge. Nah, this shit is crazy. Yeah, even the beat, bruh. The way they throwing the beat to each other, the bass is crazy. What? The duo is crazy.
Thetha nami nikumamelise.
Yeah.
Funa inyama izabasika.
Nah, this shit is crazy. Nah.
Themba cima isibani.
Nah, they beat them.
Nashi isitulo amampondo aklingile Okobela kuhlali osukwini baqumbile Base baphothahla amaqhwela apha kumdiza Isitico segaraja sikho kum silahlekile Thetha nami nikumamelise Funa inyama izabasika Okehlangu nanje laphi Ezicoins zivelaphi When isithathu sifunde laphi Amadoda kangasazi Uthi umama uzala umami China apha kum so ingqoko yethu ayifani Okubhuda so bengicela ubiza uhlathi Igqirha lefamily nikele uyoqala Thetha nami nikumamelise Funa inyama izabasika Thetha nami nikumamelise Funa inyama izabasika Cela sivale banxilile nasebuhlanta kukho order Kwenza ingathi umakazi kangasibulalela utangwe Osukwini bayaqhela nalomcimba menza ipati Wapha ne-new brand washekhaya ngowakokoko Okhalela ibrandi ntombi kaTops wakuthona Usabamba igraji mna niphethe imali esikhova Usapeya igrandi umakhulu wako waseqonqa Thetha nami nikumamelise Funa inyama izabasika
Nah. It belongs in the charts. Abole. Maybe we chart it. This belongs in the chart. So if the first song is like this, I can imagine the whole EP. Nah. Cast Aura. Nah, this is a new wave, dog. For Xhosa rap, this is a new fucking wave. New wave. Shout out to Ukafi. No bass. Cast Aura. This fucking EP is probably crazy. Because the intro pambe, shit is crazy. And it's your boy Zizi. I'm out.